guys, welcome back to the channel. In front of me is a 63 Ragtop. So, let's take a little flashback and see how we got here. Alright guys, we're on the way to check out a 63 Ragtop.
Two 63 Ragtops.
Two 63 Ragtops.
Buy one, get one free.
Alright guys, so we just checked out the first 63 Ragtop. Nice car. We're going to check out another one. It's at his shop. Now, before I got my 67, I was going to look at this car. This is a 63 Ragtop. It's white. He says the one he has is a 63 Ragtop and it was white too, and it's rusty just like this one. So if it's that one, that's going to be some crazy stuff. So let's go find out. Alright guys, so under this cover there's a 63 Ragtop. And about 7 years ago there was a 63 Ragtop on Craigslist. And this is the same one. That's the first car that I was going to get, but it got bought from under me. Not really, but bought before I could go take a look at it. And now 7 years later, it's coming home. I actually met the owner, not related at all to the vehicle once before, so that's pretty funny. But it's coming home. It's gonna get its turn at greatness again. That's gonna be awesome.
So buddy,
What's up?
What is this?
This is a 63 Ragtop. This just so happens to be the same 63 Ragtop I found 7 years ago. And now it's coming home for a full restoration.
Awesome.
Yeah. Isn't it cool?
I dig it.
I dig it.
This is one car you own I don't mind at my shop.
Really?
Really.
Wow.
This car is welcome. It has my stamp of approval. How are you feeling right now?
I'm very happy. I'm very excited.
I'm excited too. I really like this car.
Me too.
So, question on the pop-outs.
Don't know. I don't normally like pop-outs.
Didn't you hear him say I could have them? Rich, just for the record.
I don't normally like pop-outs.
Just for the record, did you hear him say I could have the pop-outs?
I heard him say he doesn't normally like pop-outs.
Thank you. You said.
I did. I did.
So what is it?
But I'll have to think on it.
I know.
I don't normally like pop-outs. What happened? Oh no, you messed up my trim.
It just fell out of the car.
What?
Yeah.
What's this piece that's missing up here?
It's okay, I know a guy with parts. So he's already got the 914 in here, and what are you bringing in?
What's up?
You already got the 914 in here. What?
It's another full restoration by Dubworks. High end. 63 Ragtop.
I like it.
You know, the one with the big 53 on the side.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna get those
Those
pop-outs
gonna
out.
disappear by
Yeah.
the time I come back.
You don't want them.
I know, I don't like pop-outs that much. This might be special though, because it came with the car.
63 rags.
Dueling Ragtops.
His and hers.
No. No. His and his.
You excited?
I'm very excited.
You
I know you can't tell, but I am.
Buddy, you got a 63 Ragtop.
I got the 63 Ragtop.
Yes.
The.
Again, 13 years old. Got away from you
Not
once.
just a 63 Ragtop. The 63 Ragtop.
That's right. That is true.
So,
I forget that.
yeah.
See? You hang out in here doing welding and look what happens.
Look what happens.
You go on a ride and next thing you know you're reunited with your car. Good stuff.
Alright guys, so you might be wondering, how do I know this is the same car? Well, in this photo here, that you're probably not going to be able to see too well, from October 2015, it's a Craigslist photo of a 63 Ragtop. And if you zoom in, you got a triangle and 3 circles of rust on the quarter panel. And if we come look at this car, triangle, 3 circles of rust. Same car. Pretty awesome. Alright guys, so that's going to do it today for the 63. We got it in the shop. Next time, we're going to see what's inside, what's in store for the restoration, and we might try and start it up. But until then guys, let me know what you think of this in the comments, and I will see you later. Take care guys.